Good morning and welcome to all BSc first year students of Fisheries Science in online lecture series of semester 2nd, paper number 3rd, that is freshwater aquaculture technology. Up to here we have studied first in few lectures. We have seen paper 4th, fish seed production technology and hatcheries management. In this paper 4th, 2 units we have completed, unit 1st and unit 2nd. Then from paper 3rd we have started unit 1st, which is most important unit for your study point, because this unit these are to give the introductory idea to you. What is the aquaculture? What is meant by aquaculture? Which are the definitions of aquaculture? What is the objective of aquaculture? And what is the scope of aquaculture? Why this aquaculture these are to be studied? Why this aquaculture these are to be important for the point of student on studying? Because this aquaculture these are to be important. Aquaculture has great objectives and it is a great scope everywhere. Hence this aquaculture these are to be must study. It is to be must understand importance, objectives and scope of aquaculture. Now during last period we have completed the important aspects or the introductory aspect. First, introduction and definitions of aquaculture. What is the introduction? And after introduction we have seen some definitions of aquaculture. Then these definitions of aquaculture these are to be seen, these are to be studied. Then we have studied in this article importance of aquaculture and objectives of aquaculture, as well as scope of aquaculture. What is the importance, what is the objective and what is the scope of aquaculture? One by one we have studied in this article, in this part. Yes, aquaculture has following importance. Why this aquaculture these are to be important? Why this aquaculture these are to be more useful for the study point? Hence importance of aquaculture these are to be studied, these are to be understood. And aquaculture has following importance. Aquaculture has following importance. Which are these? We have seen one by one. First, aquaculture support the national economy on the large scale. Why this aquaculture these are to be important? Why this aquaculture these are to be most important? Why it is to be most studied? Notably these are to be studied because aquaculture supports the national economy on the large scale. And when any product, any faculty, any branch, any sector which is to be support to national economy, and when due to that branch, due to that sector, national economy these are to be increased, ultimately it is to be uplift the national earning as well as the social earning. And when national earning and social earning these are to be increased, it is to be uplift the nation's economy and nation's standard is to be increased. That's why aquaculture supports the national economy on large scale. It is the first importance. That's why to study aquaculture is essential. To study of aquaculture these are to be most important. Second important of aquaculture, aquaculture provides important economic and nutritional benefit to the mankind. Not only it is to be important for the national economy, for the nation's earning, but also aquaculture provides important economic and nutritional benefit. Not only economic, but it is also provides the nutritional benefit to mankind. Those are the rare materials, those are the rare minerals, substances which is to be present in these aquatic animals. These are to be provided, these are to be supplied to the mankind, and hence it is most nutritional benefit to human being, to mankind from the aquaculture. Third importance of aquaculture. Aquaculture is overwhelming concentrated in the developing world, which account for more than 85% of the output by volume and 71% by value. Remember that. What is meant by aquaculture? Aquaculture is overwhelmingly concentrated in the developing world, which account for more than 85% of output by volume and 71 by value. Means those aquatic animals, those production which is to be produced from the aquaculture, those are to be formed from the aquaculture from the developing world. This aquaculture, these are to be accounts for 85% output by volume and 71% output by value. Hence this aquaculture is the great importance, great or the most important. Export of high value species. What is this aquaculture? It is important. Export of high value species such as shrimp and prawns are much needed foreign currency for the country. Remember that those are the high value species, those are the most nutritious, most precious, nutritious and precious. Which are the most nutritious and precious? Such as shrimp, prawns and pearl oyster as well as mytilus. These are the nutritious and it is the precious, and these nutritious and precious species, these animals, these are to be cultured, these are to be grown, and annually due to exporting these animals, these food grains or these products to foreign country, we can earn the foreign currency to the national economy. And when these are to be earned the foreign currency to the economy, to the nations, it is most important, because depending upon this foreign currency, depending upon this export value, foreign currency, you can earn the maximum export, maximum earning, and it is to increase the nation's earning or the country earning, and it is most important. Aquaculture solve the problem of scarcity of food. We have know that, we have remembered that. Many times I have told to you students, what is the problem in front of humanity? The problem is the scarcity of food. We have know that, we have understood well. Daily in India, more than 30 million people, these are to be sleep without dinner at the time of night. Remember that. One side there is a tremendous availability of food, tremendous availability of ready available food, and other side more than 30 million people can sleep without dinner, which is to be hunger and malnutrition, these are to be occur. And due to the scarcity of food, due to the hungerness, annually more than 5 to 6 lakh people, these are to be die due to the hunger. We more diversified and more critical situation, these are to be found in front of humanity due to the scarcity of food. And this problem, these are to be solved when we have culture, aquaculture. It solve the problem of scarcity of food, not completely, but for the somehow it is to be help for the solving the problem of food scarcity. Aquaculture minimizing the problem of hunger and malnutrition by improving local nutrition, by providing a ready source of high quality protein, as well as giving an opportunity to generate income. Giving an opportunity to generate income. In our India, daily more than 35 metric tons food is to be wastage without eating. These food, these are to be wastage in our daily diet, which is to be we have thrown away in the dustbin, in the, that is sanitary or in number of waste product, and all these are to be wasting. Means one side scarcity of food and another side wastage of food is also found. That's why aquaculture minimize the problem of hunger and malnutrition by improving local nutrition, by providing a ready source of high quality protein, as well as giving an opportunity to generate the income. Small scale farmers seems aquaculture as way of their food supply. small scale farmers or small fish farmers sees aquaculture as a way of their food supply. This aquaculture, these are to be done by subsistence. Aquaculture, these are to be done by, that is sport, or aquaculture is to be done by for the commercial purpose. Due to overpopulation, remember that day by day in India, one Australia, these are to be added annually. Population, these are to be increased tremendously, but food production is to be not increased same way. We all know that population increases by geometric way. Population increases by geometric way, and food grain, these are to be increased by, that is algebraic way. Algebraic way, अन्नधान्य कसं वाढतं? अन्नधान्य गणितीय स्वरूपात वाढतं. 1 2 3 4 5 6. आणि लोकसंख्या कशी वाढते? भौमितिक 4 8 16 32 64. It is to be by geometric way. That's why due to the overpopulation there is no sufficient job or work for mankind, but aquaculture provides job for unemployed persons, unemployed mankind, and this is the good opportunity to solve the problem of jobs, to solve the problem of employment. This aquaculture provide good job. This aquaculture provide the employment for the unemployed persons, unemployed jobless human beings. Yes, aquaculture provide different fish species and other animals which act as a biological control. Aquaculture provides different fish species and other animals which act as a biological control. We know that today we are sitting in your home isolately. That is, government, these are to be told continuously wearing mask, use regular sanitizers, and keep distance, social distance, for to save the corona. Yes, aquaculture provides different fish species and other aquatic animals which act as biological control. We have know that. We have only heard, that is swine flu. We have heard bird flu, corona. But annually in India, as well as in whole world, more than 35 million people, these are to be died due to the malaria. Remember that. This is more dangerous, and to control this malaria, biological control of malaria, fish species, these are to be used, such as grass carp, such as guppy fish. We have heard the slogans which is to be written behind the bus, behind the vehicles. बसच्या पाठीमागे किंवा तुम्ही एस टीच्या पाठीमागे स्लोगन वाचले असेल, गप्पी मासे पाळा आणि हिवताप टाळा किंवा हत्तीपाय टाळा. All these are the different biological diseases, these are to be occur, and to control these biological fishes, these are to be important fishes, these are to be most useful. Aquaculture provides different nutritive animals and many byproducts to man. Not only biological control, but aquaculture provides different nutritive animals and many byproducts to the human beings. Aquaculture provides different nutritive animals and many byproducts to man. Aquaculture restore the animals which are endangered or to be extinct on the earth planet in short period. Remember that again, boys, daily, every day on earth planet 120 birds, these are to be extinct on the earth planet. Aquaculture restore the animals which are endangered or to be extinct on the earth planet in short period. Just I have told you that every year, every day on earth planet 120, every year 120 birds, these are to be extinct. Every day on the earth planet more than 1000 insects, these are to be purged on the earth planet. More than 10 reptiles, these are to be purged on the earth planet, as well as more than 4 mammals, these are to be purged on earth planet. Remember that same rate these are to be occur in future. In future, maximum animal these are to be endangered. Maximum animal these are to be fishes are to be lost on earth planet, these are to be extinct on earth planet, to save these animals, to restore these endangered species. This aquaculture, these are to be important, it is to be most useful. Aquaculture provides in short period a large number, expected number of aquatic animals which is required in short period, in short time. With the help of aquaculture, we have performed expected number of aquatic animals, large aquatic animals, it can be produced, it can be grown. Aquaculture is useful to multi-purpose culture. Aquaculture is useful for multi-purpose culture methods of different aquatic animals, and it promote to increase the view to sea aquaculture. Means aquaculture is also useful to multi-purpose culture methods of different aquatic animals, and it promote to increase the view to sea aquaculture. Aquaculture improves the socio-economic development of poor communities. Those communities, these are to be poor, those communities, these are to be a low poverty level, or the communities, these are to be below poverty level. There is no jobs, these are poor communities. Development and education, these are to be zero in such communities. This aquaculture, these are to be improved, these are to be increase the socio-economic development, socio-economic condition. It is true that if all essential, or it is true that if all potential areas or all water bodies are being utilized for fish culture or aquaculture, fish capture, if majority of water bodies is to be under the cultivation of aquatic animal, under the cultivation of carp culture or fish culture, if majority of population in the world when start to consume the aquatic animals and aqua product, means all water bodies these are to be under cultivation, under aquaculture, and all maximum human beings, maximum human population, it can start to consume the aquatic animals and aqua product, the food demand in the world will greatly support with agricultural crop product and no any malnutrition or mine food scarcity. Means those are the scarcity, those are the food scarcity which is to be occur, those are the malnutrition, these are to be occur. When these scarcity of food and malnutrition, these are to be completely stopped, when all water bodies these are to be under cultivation of aquaculture, and all cultured aquatic animals these are to be used for food and feeding, definitely agricultural load is to be decreased down, and when agricultural load is to be decreased down, crop production, ultimately malnutrition for mine food scarcity, it is to be stopped, it is to be recovered, and there is a development of human being. That's why this aquaculture, these are to be important, it is to be most used. Hence aquaculture has its status and importance in the national development. Hence aquaculture has its status and importance in national development. Due to these importance, aquaculture is its status and its importance in national development and national policy. All the above are the various importance of aquaculture, and due to all these above importance of aquaculture, due to all these various importance of aquaculture, it is one of the emerging and more earning field. It is the more emerging and more earning field today, and this is the super science. Today among all those branches, all those sciences, this fishery science, these are to be more evolved, more emerging, and it is the most recent branch to study and to grow the maximum fish production, to solve the problem of scarcity of food and to solve the problem of economy. That's why this aquaculture, these are to be support the Indian economy. This aquaculture, these are to be support the Indian development and to increase the nation's army, to increase the community army as well as the individual army. This aquaculture, these are to be great support and great use for the unemployed, for the fisher farmers or fish farmers. Hence it is to be cultured and grow. Due to these importance, this day by day aquaculture practices and importance of aquaculture, these are to be increased, and maximum people can give attendance, attracted toward the aquaculture. It is a good symbol, it is a good symptom in this sector, because in ancient time to enter in aquaculture. There is a hesitation, but today every people, every common man, it is to be attracted to the aquaculture, and it can be done by different way, modernized way, and it is the good sign in aquaculture. That's why this aquaculture, these are to be important, these are to be most useful. All these above are the various importance, and due to these importance, aquaculture is its great scope and great importance in its other branches. Hence, it is to be cultured everywhere, grow everywhere. Hope you understood these importance of aquaculture. We have seen detail, that is, we have studied already. We have seen the importance of fishery and fishery science. Similar way, this aquaculture is also important in that manner. Hope you understood. Any problem, any difficulty, please ask. Thank you, all of you.